Woohoo!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for his wool, and tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a pearl gourami fish?
Mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
Look at this. Is this a yellow fish?
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Look at this. Is this a red devil fish?
The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun.
Look at this. Is this an angel fish?
Aha!
Look at this. Is this a catfish?
Okay.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. Is this a catfish?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a snow white fish?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a lobster? Look at this. Is this a turtle?
Bye, have a great time.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
Look at this. Is this a lobster?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a catfish?
Woohoo!
Around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun.
Look at this. Is this a turtle?
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Goodbye! Okay. Good job!